Lululemon will pay you $8,000 every month to work from home. And the best part about it, it's absolutely free. Anybody can do it, and you don't have to show your face. Let me show you how. First, you're gonna go to Google, type in Lululemon affiliate program, and click on the first link. Then you're gonna follow these steps and sign up for the program. So once you sign up, you're gonna search and find the product that you wanna promote. Then you're gonna create yourself a free business account on Pinterest and create yourself a pin. Then you want to make sure to set this up exactly the way the ad is. Picture, title, and a light description right here. Make sure you don't forget this part because this is very important. This is how you're going to get paid. This is where you're going to put your affiliate link. This is where when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, this is how you're going to get paid. Now, once you're all done with that, you're going to go up to the top and hit publish. This is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to know how ordinary people like me and you are making thousands of dollars a month using this simple method, give me a follow and comment right down below. And I'll see you in my free beginner's guide.